These are the thread spool caps for 1980s, early 1990s Singer sewing machines. The spool threads are mounted horizontally, and you put these on after the spool threads are in place, and it keeps the spool from popping off the shaft, and it basically allows the thread to unwind without getting caught up on the actual spool itself. Now, I buy $20 sewing machines. And the problem with $20 sewing machines is, although they are a little neglected, they can be oiled and cleaned. But the accessories that come with them are usually long gone. And one of the accessories that's always missing are these little spool caps. Now, you can buy them off eBay and stuff like that, and they're still making them, and by the time you blow $20, you can have it delivered to your door, and it's not that big of a deal. But why in the world spend $20 when you can get them for free? So, basically, all you do is go out on garbage day and you plow through the neighbor's recycling bins, and you come up with drink. Look at that. I already got a hole. Got a hole in this one. And you can get all kinds of sizes for these things, and they're free. Look at that. Look at that. I got enough. These are my favorites right here. These are off of spice, garlic powder, pepper, lemon pepper. Those are absolutely divine. Now, how do I get the hole in them? How do I get the hole in them? Well, since I do a lot of work in the garage, I actually have gasket punch. They're little circular cutouts, and then you just bang them, and they make nice little through holes through. As a matter of fact, I'll demonstrate one right now. All right. Whoop. Find the center. Voila, nice and perfect hole. Now you don't have to go out and, these are pretty cheap actually on eBay, gasket. But this is a 7/32. The shaft on a Singer sewing machine is a 1/4 inch. So 7/32 is just a hair under a 1/4 of an inch. And so these then will allow the plastic to bite on the shaft and hold it in place. You can also, if you don't have a gasket punch, you can just cut little crosses into the plastic with an X-Acto knife or a utility knife. But you don't have to buy these things, and you can get any size you need, obviously, by digging through the recycling bin. Save some money. Dig stuff out of the trash. Reuse it. It's a lot better than blowing your money. All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye.